So which smart controller is the best smart controller? There's a lot to consider when you're talking about smart controllers. The number one thing, though, is it affordable? Number two, can you program it? If you're unable to program it, what's the point in buying it as a smart controller? In that case, you're going to be running it as a standalone controller. Number one is the Hayawazo controller, and it's because of the low price point. It offers all the smart capabilities at a super low price. Number two, Orbit. I'm going to have a lot of people throw some nasty stuff in the comments. Tell me all about it. But the reality is, Orbit has been good in the controller business for a long time. It's one of the few controllers that I have used exclusively for several years. Once the smart controller technology finally caught up in all of the different manufacturers, since they all offer the same thing, this is the reason that I actually push price and programmability. Now, programmability is the reason I like Orbit. Orbit has the most user-friendly programming of all the smart controllers, in my opinion. They have been in the business for a long time. They've listened to their customers. You have total control of the system, allowing you to use a smart-based system or a standalone system. Basically, it still works on Wi-Fi, but yet you can control minute to minute. I don't recommend you do that. If you're buying a smart controller, use the smart system. That's the whole point of having it. Don't be too concerned over which controller you're going to pick. Pick the one that's going to fit your budget and your ability to program it or set it up. I will provide the links to the controllers I use the most down in the comments, because I have enjoyed using both of these items. The Orbit I've used for about 20 years. The smart technology evolved over that time. But the Hayawazo is a new controller, to me anyway. I hadn't heard about it until last year. And I've been super happy with it simply because of the low price point and the fact that it can do basically the same programming as commercial programming. It's a little more complicated to set up. It doesn't give you the same userability as Orbit does, where you have the freedom to set things up. It's not as simple, but it is a very good alternative